later.
So guys, I went grocery shopping. I didn't buy a lot because it's just food for 1 week. So I bought maize because I'm planning to cook kideri this week. I also bought danias, which costed me 10 shillings. I also bought some fruits, which already my baby have eaten a lot. I bought carrots, all of them. All those carrots are 50 bob. I bought bell peppers, which costed me 40 shillings. Yeah, I also bought chilies. I really love chilies. I cannot stay without chilies. I bought onions. Where red onions are crazy expensive where I live. I don't know if where you live ziko affordable, but here they are super expensive. I also bought potatoes. These ones will help me cook mokimo. I need to cook matoke also because I have that recipe also this week. I also bought peas, which are called minji. They costed me 200 bob. I also bought these nyanyas, which I'm so satisfied with. They are so fresh. They look so good. I also bought more fruits and lemons. I bought cereals. I also bought cabbages. I bought 2 of them. One was going for 40 shillings. So I bought 2 of them. And also I also bought matoke over there, which costed me like 80 bob, and avocado and some other two stuff, small stuffs. All these things actually costed me like 1200 bob, which is okay because it's just for 7 days. So I do this every week, and trust me when I say this, it really helps a lot.
The next day.
Imagine I had ordered a pan and something else. They have taken a whole 4 days without arriving. Oh, okay. I've just gotten a message that my package is here, and I was starting to complain. Let me go get them so that I can unbox them and show you guys. So guys, I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. My package is here, and here is the pan. Okay, I don't know. I also bought I also ordered this dish rack. By the way guys, for a long time, imagine sijainunua dish rack. This is the first time. Yes, I've bought other dish racks. I can remember when I was coming here, there's a dish rack that my mom gave me, but there's a dish rack that she gave me, but this one is me that I've bought, and I'm really happy because this is a purchase that I wanted to do like a long time ago and sikufanya. So I'm gonna put this together and then come back. Yeah, so I'm satisfied with this dish rack. What I'm not satisfied with is the pan. This pan, it is too small. I didn't think it was this small. I thought it was a bigger one. So it seems like I'm just going to have to order another one.
The next day.